So, like I said, the fundamental concept that I think all of these questions can be addressed with is the idea of having a tested and unique edge that you can implement every single day in the market. And with that edge, I think you need detailed entry, exit, take profit, and stop loss levels. And on top of that, your cherry on your ice cream sundae should be a risk management system predetermined for that strategy, for that edge. If you have that, then as a new trader, you're going to lose way less than someone that doesn't have that. For example, me, when I came into trading, I didn't know what a system was. I didn't know what rules were. Like, I didn't understand anything like that. In my mind, trading was like a glorified gambling. It was just easier to do because I didn't have to go to the casino. That's the way that I saw it. You know what I mean? Just my way to get out, to be financially free, to not be average. I didn't know the requirements that were, needed to be successful in this business. And now I'm sharing with you guys, I think the number one thing that you should try to implement is that system, that detailed entry, detailed stop loss, detailed take profit, all of it predetermined. So every time it presents, you know it's tested and you know that you can put money into it. If I had had that, I would have saved myself so much money. So my tip for new traders is to go find that system, whether you build it yourself or you go find someone like me or whoever it is that tested a system and is sharing it, that's fine too. And then you can build your own later on. You can modify. The unique thing about trading with the ASFX systems is how every trader that's come into our group has taken the systems and run with it in their own way. Now, they're not completely out in left field playing ice hockey. They're in left field ready to catch a pop fly, but it isn't the same exact pop fly that I would catch if it's me trading. I know that's not the best analogy, but what I'm trying to say is they're trading the same system with the same knowledge, but the parameters, the risk, the edge might be slightly different, and that's the beautiful thing about a proven system, because it really isn't something that's so precise. It's more of a way to read the chart. It's a way to read the language of trading and what the chart is telling you.